Mechanical water meters fall into two core categories based on metering principles: velocity van wheel water meters and positive displacement piston water meters. Single-jet water meters and multi-jet water meters, for instance, adopt a van wheel structure, while piston-type water meters hold a substantial market share across the globe today. They will focus on piston-type water meters, renowned for their high metering accuracy and versatile multi-angle installation capability. These meters are indeed suitable for regions with clean potable water and stringent metering requirements. Water first passes through the meter strainer and meters the mirroring chamber, where it propels the piston guided by a partition plate. The hydrodynamically balanced piston performs rotational moment, a drive and magnet transfer the piston's motion to a driven magnet installed inside the hermetically sealed register. This magnet is linked to a gear train, which converts the piston's rotational motion into mirrorable water volume displayed on the register dial. Compared with conventional velocity water meters, piston-type water meters deliver distinct advantages as follows. Velocity-type water meters rely on impelled rotation for water metering. They feature high startup flow rate and fail to function effectively under low flow conditions. In contrast, piston-type water meters boast an ultra-low startup flow and exceptional sensitivity, with metering accuracy up to 0.5%. Most velocity-type meters only achieve Class B range ratio, and the gradual impeller will trigger assistant metering error during long-term operation. Piston-type meters reach Class C accuracy, R160 and above. WEIZIDOMMETER further elevates the standard, offering piston meters with a maximum range ratio of R200. These products maintain exceptional stability with negligible accuracy degradation over time. Velocity-type meters come with stringent installation instructions. Tightly or inverted mounting will severely compromise their metering performance. Piston-type meters support full 330 ohm directional installation, adapted to a wide variety of application scenarios. Of course, piston-type meters have certain limitations. Their sophisticated internal structure demands high-quality potable water for stable operation. Impurities in water may jam the piston and cause stall. For this reason, velocity-type meters are more applicable for poor water quality conditions. WEIZIDOMMETER provides a full lineup of piston water meters covering DN15 to DN40 specifications. The PDLFC is a vertical weight-type piston meter available in brass and plastic housing options. Its compact structure design enables multi-angle installation and precise metering equipped with a fog-resistant liquid-sealed register. It serves as a optional solution for residential buildings and space-constrained installation environments. The PDSDC is our horizontal dry-type piston meter, also offered in brass and plastic versions. Featuring a standard appearance consistent with conventional velocity meters, it delivers excellent universal compatibility. It is fully adaptable to remote data acquisition, smart water metering systems, and wireless communication solutions. Empowered robust in-house R&D capabilities, WEIZIDOMMETER piston-type water meters have gained worldwide recognition and reputable market standing, supplying premium compliant products to high-standard market worldwide. Subscribe to our channel for more new product updates. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next video.